Hello students, today we will study class 9 English, 4th chapter of the book Behind, that is A Truly Beautiful Mind. So this chapter is about Albert Einstein and it tells us about his personality, his interest in mathematics and physics and his humanistic desires and tendencies. So, let's start the chapter now. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in Ulm, Germany, and as a child never showed any trace of intelligence. Okay, 14 March 1879 को एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन वॉज बॉर्न इन उल्म जर्मनी और जब वो छोटे थे तब ऐसा नहीं लगता था कि वो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी ही वॉज अ वेरी स्लो चाइल्ड who started speaking after he turned 2.5 years old. बल्कि वो एक बहुत ही स्लो चाइल्ड थे और उन्होंने बोलना भी तब शुरू किया था जब वो 2.5 years old थे. Einstein was an introvert child who was termed brother boring by his playmates. आइंस्टाइन एक इंट्रोवर्ट चाइल्ड थे. इंट्रोवर्ट मतलब अपने में ही रहना, ज़्यादा किसी से बात ना करना, ज़्यादा फ्रेंड्स ना बनाना इज़ नोन एज बीइंग इंट्रोवर्ट. ओके, सो ही वॉज अ वेरी इंट्रोवर्ट चाइल्ड जिनको उसके जो प्लेमेट्स थे यानी कि जो उसके आसपास वाले बच्चे थे उसको ब्रदर बोरिंग बोलते थे. So he didn't had many friends, so most of the time he played by himself and he loved mechanical toys. और एक बार उनकी जो हेड मास्टर थी स्कूल की, उन्होंने एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन के बारे में एक बहुत ही नेगेटिव रिपोर्ट दी, ये बोलते हुए कि ही विल नेवर सक्सीड इन एनीथिंग इन लाइफ. ओके, दैट ही विल नेवर सक्सीड इन एनी प्रोफेशन. Still, Einstein started to learn playing the violin at a very young age as per his mother's wish. Okay, फिर भी उन्होंने 6 साल की उम्र में वॉयलिन सीखना शुरू किया बिकॉज उनकी मम्मा चाहती थी कि वो वॉयलिन सीखें. एंड he maintained the skill for the rest of his life and he became a gifted violinist. आइंस्टाइन प्रूव टू बी अ गुड स्टूडेंट. ओके, ऐसा नहीं कि उनके बारे में नेगेटिव रिपोर्ट दी थी बचपन में तो वो अच्छे नहीं थे पढ़ाई में. ही वॉज अ गुड स्टूडेंट एज ही स्कोर्ड गुड मार्क्स वाइल स्टडिंग इन अ स्कूल इन म्यूनिच. जब वो म्यूनिच के एक स्कूल में पढ़ते थे तब उनके काफ़ी अच्छे मार्क्स आते थे. हाउएवर ही लव फ्रीडम एंड फेल्ट सफोकेटेड बिकॉज ऑफ द stern discipline in his school. जो स्कूल म्यूनिच में था वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा डिसिप्लिन था उस स्कूल में. एंड एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन लव्ड फ्रीडम एंड ही यूज्ड टू फील सफोकेटेड इन दैट स्कूल. सो ही लेफ्ट दैट स्कूल इन म्यूनिच एंड ही शिफ्टेड टू जर्मन स्पीकिंग स्विट्ज़रलैंड टू कीप हिज स्टडीज इन अ लिबरल इन्वायरमेंट. ओके, उन्होंने वो म्यूनिच वाला स्कूल छोड़ दिया एंड ही शिफ्टेड टू जर्मन स्पीकिंग स्विट्ज़रलैंड एंड started studying in a liberal environment. Liberal matlab a free environment. Einstein was exceptionally intelligent in mathematics and deeply interested in physics. Okay, he was very intelligent in mathematics and he had a keen interest in physics. After finishing school, he joined the university in Zurich, where he fell in love with a Serbian fellow student, Mileva Mariak, whom he married afterwards. अब जब उनका schooling ख़त्म हो गया, so he took admission in a university of Zurich, where he fell in love with a Serbian fellow student जिनका नाम था Mileva Mariak, जिनकी बाद में शादी भी हो गई थी इनके साथ. Okay. Einstein could not easily find a job after graduating from the university in 1900. Okay, after his college was also finished, he couldn't find a job. However, when he found a job as a technical assistant in a patent office in Bern in 1902, he continued his own research in physics. पर उनको 1902 में जॉब मिल जाती है as a technical assistant in a patent office in Bern. जॉब मिलने के बाद भी ही कंटिन्यूड हिज ओन रिसर्च इन फिज़िक्स और 1905 में ही पब्लिश्ड अ पेपर ऑफ स्पेशल थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी एंड केम आउट विद द फॉर्मूला E is equal to mc square, that is energy is equal to mass into speed of light whole twice. and this theory of Einstein gained worldwide acclaim. Okay, by this time, Einstein had got married to Mileva and he had two sons, but his marriage could not continue for long and they got divorced in 1919. And after the divorce, Einstein married his cousin Elsa. Okay. Einstein rose to international fame by publishing his general theory of relativity in 1915. Okay, he got very famous internationally जब उन्होंने 1915 में अपनी जनरल थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी को पब्लिश किया. Einstein's findings were proclaimed as a scientific revolution. ठीक है, and he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. He immigrated to America in 1933 when the Nazis came to power in Germany. Earlier, he used to stay in Germany from the time he was born. He was born in Ulm, Germany, and till 1933 he stayed in Germany only. But when Nazis came to power in Germany, he shifted to America. 5 years later, American physicists became upset at the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin. 1933 को 1933 में वो अमेरिका शिफ्ट हो गए थे and 5 years later he got to know about the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin. Okay, they were afraid that Nazis could build an atomic bomb with this discovery. उनको लगता था कि उनको ये डर था कि नाजीज एक एटॉमिक बॉम्ब ना प्रिपेयर कर ले. So Einstein wrote a letter to the American president Franklin D. Roosevelt regarding the massive destructive power of a nuclear bomb. Okay, तो उनको लगता था, आइंस्टाइन को ये लगा कि कहीं नाजीज एक एटॉमिक बॉम्ब ना बना ले. Okay, तो उन्होंने अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट फ्रैंकलिन डी रूजवेल्ट को एक लेटर लिख दिया regarding the massive destructive power of a nuclear bomb. This letter had a serious impact and the Americans secretly prepared their own atomic bomb which they dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. जब लेटर लिखा आइंस्टाइन ने अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट को, तो उन्होंने लेटर को काफ़ी सीरियसली लिया and they secretly prepared their own atomic bomb which they dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. Einstein was shaken terribly by this inhuman act because he wanted to he wanted to protect America कि atomic bomb ना ही जर्मनी में बने ना ही अमेरिका में बने. But on the contrary, what happened? That Americans developed their own atomic bomb and they dropped it on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. And Einstein was shaken by this terrible and inhuman act. He wrote another letter to the United Nations proposing the formation of a world government. और उसके बाद उन्होंने यूनाइटेड नेशंस को एक लेटर लिखा जहाँ पे उन्होंने ये बोला कि why not we form a world government. But this letter had no impact on anyone. Okay, this letter didn't have any impact. However, over the rest of his life, Einstein championed the cause of peace and democracy. वो खुद ही बहुत कुछ करते रहे for the cause of peace and democracy. He had earned fame for being a scientific genius and a world citizen by the time he died in 1955 at the age of 76. Okay. Now let's understand the title of this biographical feature, A Truly Beautiful Mind. Okay, so it is a very appropriate title as it encompasses both the intelligence of Einstein and his humanistic tendencies. ये टाइटल एकदम अप्रोप्रिएट है क्योंकि ये हमें आइंस्टाइन की इंटेलिजेंस और उनके ह्यूमनिस्टिक टेंडेंसीज के बारे में बताता है, which both existed in him. Okay, he was a very intelligent person, a scientific genius, and also a great human being with great humanistic tendencies. And as a genius, he made immense contribution to the world of science by presenting startling theories, and as a human being, he preached for peace and democracy. Okay, Thus, his mind was really beautiful and teeming with new ideas and human concerns. And at last, let's understand the message of the story. So, this story of the life and personality of a famous scientist, Einstein, gives us a message that a beautiful mind possesses not only innovative ideas but also makes sincere efforts to use these ideas for the well being of mankind. जैसा कि आइंस्टाइन ने किया, he not only used his brain to do something innovative in the field of science, but he also contributed so much to bring peace and democracy and whatnot in the lives of mankind. Science should be solely devoted to the promotion of world peace and prosperity. It is, if used for destructive purposes, the scientific inventions and discoveries can wreak havoc on the earth. अब इसमें हमें साइंस के फ़ायदे और नुकसान भी बताए गए हैं कि अगर हम साइंस को पॉजिटिवली यूज़ करें तो इट कैन लीड टू प्रमोशन ऑफ वर्ल्ड वाइड पीस एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी। पर अगर हम इसको डिस्ट्रक्टिव पर्पसेस के लिए यूज़ करते हैं साइंस को, देन इट कैन क्रिएट हैवॉक ऑन अर्थ. So that was it for the message. So guys, that was it for this video and it for this chapter 2. If you have any queries, suggestions or questions to ask, you can ask them in the comment box below, or you can DM us with the link given in the description box of our Instagram ID.